Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 virus and threat protection not working. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security, click Virus and Threat Protection, click Turn on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Windows Security, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Security Service. Make sure the services is started. If already started, restart the service. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Exit and restart system. Fifth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows Defender. Right-click New DWORD 32-bit value. Type Disable Anti-Spyware, change value data to 0. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.